This week we're going to talk about colors and we're going to talk about the color wheel. So what you're looking at is the color wheel. It was created in 1666 by Sir Isaac Newton, and he studied light. He studied the colors of light, and he put the wheel together to give a visual of how colors work. So red, blue, and yellow are the primary colors, which mean they can't be created, they just are. But primary colors make other colors. So if you mix the primary color red with the primary color yellow, you'll get a secondary color orange. Primary yellow and primary blue make secondary green, and primary blue and primary red make secondary purple. Of course, the color wheel can be very specific, and there are many thousands of colors in between red, yellow, and blue. Red, orange, and yellow are considered warm colors, and purple, blue, and green are considered cool colors. Now, what's interesting about the color wheel is that I just talked about mixing colors. When you mix colors, you make secondary colors. But something that's interesting is that when you take a red light and a blue light and a green light, and green is not primary, but red, blue, and green, RBG, when you mix those three colors as light, they create a white light. And it's a concept that's a little bit difficult to understand, so I'm going to show you about a 10-second video that's going to explain it. So white light is actually created by the three colors RGB, red, green, and blue. And if you look at your TV or you look at your computer or your tablet, often you'll see RGB color, an RGB color wheel. And that stands for red, blue, and green. So watch this short video and you'll see how red, blue, and green light together creates white light.
We can take those colors, red, green, and blue, and put them together in different ways to make all kinds of different colors. The blue is fairly pure color, the red one is fairly pure as well, and fairly pure green over here. But as they overlap, you see that blue plus green together gives you a different color, the cyan color that's here. Red plus green together give the yellow color down below. And red plus blue together give the magenta color that you see at the left. But all three of those colors, as they overlap, give a white spot in the center.
So what are complementary colors? Complementary colors are colors that go well together by artist's definition. And if you look at the color wheel, whatever is the exact opposite of that color is its complementary color. So for example, red's complementary color is green. Blue's complementary color is orange. Yellow's complementary color is purple. Now, of course, depending on your wheel, if you have, hundreds of colors in your wheel, meaning every variation of purple and red and green, etc., you'll have more complements. So like bluish green is complemented by reddish orange, and bluish violet is complemented by yellowish orange. So all you really have to do for your complementary colors is look at the color wheel and decide what is directly across it. So red, it would be green, and violet would be yellow. Orange's complementary color would be blue. So when you're doing the Monsters project, you need to choose two main colors that are complementary. So you could do a red monster with a green background, or an orange monster with a blue background. And you can add other colors in the monster project, but the two dominant colors need to be two complementary colors. And you can look at the examples that I have on Otis to see what other students have done.